All right, let me just give you a quick tour. Let's talk about numbers here. How much these things cost? Freddy, this is nice, and I love what you want to do, but how much did it cost? Let's do math together. All right, taking the old concrete and digging down the ground. Remember, it's a lot. We got to dig in about 5 to 6 inches the entire basement, everywhere. Because we got to put new concrete 4 inches. We got to put gravel 3 inches. Actually, we need 7 inches to dig down. So to dig down the entire space, look at how big is the basement. It will take him 2 days for 5 team members, like working hard. Taking me 5 days. It's gonna be hard work, but I should have to wrap up in 5 days. Then when everything is out, then still got to do the French drain. We got to dig down 12 to 16 inches wide, 18 inches, 16 inches high in certain areas, and then we had to go higher over there. But dig down the entire French drain, we're talking about a day for 5 guys working hard again. That's already 3 days. Now we gotta put all the gravel down. We gotta do this 4 inch right here. We gotta take the gravel down inside from the trucks, spread it, put it level, put the plastic, and put the wire on top of this, and put set up the things to put the concrete. I forgot the things. So that's another day. So already have 4 days worth of work in here for 5 team members. Now we need 1 more day to do the concrete slab. So the truck is here. We gotta pour the concrete here everywhere. We gotta make sure it's level. We gotta let it set. Then we gotta finish it to make nice, finished, beautiful concrete slab. So that right there will usually take a day. Cannot be shorter than that, but we have to get it time to dry. So total is 5 days worth of work in all of this. Let's do some math. Every company has different numbers, but let's just guess. Let's just say company charge about $100 per hour per man. So we have 5 guys. So let's multiply times 8 hours per person is 800 times 5 guys. That's about $4,000 in labor per day. Now multiply times 5 days. That's $20,000 in labor. Now we need material for here. We need the concrete, the plastic, the gravel, the post. So in average, something like this, about $6,000 in direct cost, plus $6,000, $26,000. Now remember, always put a buffer. You never know what's gonna happen. Let's put a buffer $2,000, plus $2,000. This baby is about $28,000. This baby should cost you about $28,000. There you go. It's a lot of money, it is, but you have no problems down the road for years to come. All right, that right